Hey everyone, starting my second vlog and the last vlog of this year. So I'll be uploading this vlog tomorrow, which is on the 31st itself. I'll be uploading this vlog, so being this last vlog of the year, and let's see. So just done with a few of the meetings and also done with all the work which was there for today. Now I'll be heading back home. Just before that, thought of just to summarize and tell you about how the day was and how it is actually going to be helpful to you, this which I'm going to share you right now. So what was my learning for today is that you need to set aside your, what do you call that, your badge, that okay, you are the founder, you are the starter, you are the business owner, whatever it is. You need to set that aside and then put yourself into the work, because it's going to take lots and lots of efforts which you put in yourself, and then the business, you create systems like that. And we had a very productive meeting also today in talking about how do we set up systems, how do we set up structures, how do we make business not back to normal, I would say, make business growing. So you need to have that kind of an inner circle. You need to have that kind of people who understand you. You need to have that sort of people who actually have the same mindset which you have. So my message for you all from this vlog is that surround yourself with those people who have the same mindset as you have, because if you have that, then you would be growing. Then there would be someone who would be holding you accountable, and someone who would bring the best out of you. All right, so that's what it would be. So now it's 30th of December. Tomorrow's 31st, last day of the year, and making new year resolutions which you have to do, and which you will follow or you may not follow. Well, with न्यू ईयर रेजोल्यूशंस मेरे पास हमेशा एक पॉइंट रहा है कि कितने लोग, या फिर इट इज़ एक्चुअली सेड कि हम सब वक्त के मोहताज बन रहे हैं. यू आर बिकमिंग द स्लेव ऑफ टाइम. यू आर वेटिंग फॉर 31st December 12 बजने के बाद, then you would be telling a happy new year, or you'll take it as a new year, then you'll start your new year resolution. Well, at one instinct it's fine, but the question is, why are you restricted towards a particular time, a particular event to happen, then you would start doing something? Why is that required? Why don't you just start it off? Why don't you just think that okay, I have to do this and start it off? Why are you looking out for the best time to come? मतलब कि ये वक्त पे मैं शुरू करूँगा, ये वक्त पे I'll try doing it. Why do you want to do that? Just start doing it whenever you feel like, yes, this is the right time, this is the things which are required to do something new, this is the thing which is required, और मैं अभी शुरू कर सकता हूँ, तो just start it off. Don't wait for a particular day, for a particular time, then everything would be fine, then you start something. Not like that. You need to start when you feel like this is the right time to start. Just start it off, but don't look into that, okay, the date must be this or the timing must be this. These all things are not to be considered. All right, so I hope that these things which I am putting down in this vlog is helpful for you, and you keep listening to more of my content over YouTube, Instagram, whatever it is, and keep me updated that what you want to listen more. Let me know about that also. So it's 7:30 around, and I'll be leaving back home now. And not only me, it's we would be going back home. Faizan, just say hi for the people in the vlog. So we'll be moving back home now. So thank you for watching this last vlog of this year, though it is the second vlog. So thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Make sure that you like, share, and subscribe this channel, because this is the new channel and requires your support. Let's see when do we achieve our first 100 subscribers. कितना टाइम लगेगा फैज़ान 100 सब्सक्राइबर्स के लिए? कोई अंदाजा? 10 days. 10 days. 10 days. Let's see.